Hello, moms.
Hi. Market day. Uy, what's that?
Let's go, let's go. Come in.
Come na, are you prepared?
Come inside.
Titingin siya sa dating na yun.
Mabay din siya. Tsura ng ligidado para pagod. Yes?
No, you stay here. Come here.
Will you stay in the back? With mama. Please. Parang awa na lang.
Ano si tita?
Wow daw, tita.
Wow. What?
You need to stay in the back po. Opo. We don't have a choice po. Okay?
Mama, anong in-expect mo sa Dubai market? Anong in-expect mo? Anong in-expect mo sa Dubai market?
May isda na patay, manok.
Bobo kayo itsura. Siyempre meron talaga. So
Ayun lang.
what are you expecting the looks?
Basa.
Bobo mo. Hi, fish. Wow, there's fish already. Bugs. Parang airport lang. Hi, mama. Love you. This is the fish.
Nandan? Buy yung fish, buy yung milk, fish.
And welcome to Fish Dubai Market.
So ugly.
How was it? Ha? Saan ba ganito sa Pilipinas?
Sa grocery. Sa ganito kayo, mas ganito din kalinis sa Ilocos. Ano daw gusto ma?
Hi guys, vlog takeover. So, as a tourist, we're here at Dubai Fish Market, and guys, look what they're looking at. Boom, boom. Parang gusto nila yan Parang mahal yan Parang gusto nila ng king crab tapos mahal. Kima, ituro mo lahat ng gusto mo, bibiling ko.
My God! Magkano yung gano'n yung king crab?
Oh, gusto niyang magluto ng king crab. 261 kilo.
Diyan 1 kilo.
And that's not 1 kilo, right? How many kilo is that normally?
2.2 up.
2.2 up.
2.2 to 3 kilos.
So expensive! How about the lobster? How much is
That's
that?
700. That's 700 then.
350. One lobster?
Which one? Ito. Ito daw. Ang 700 dirhams. Boom. Tayo na. Tapos tignan mo naman yung laman yan. Parang dito lang. Ulo lang Puro ulo lang yan Paano yan?
Ang sarap mo!
Ito ba yung sinasabing 200 daw? O yun, yung lobster? Ito, king crab,
Mas mahal yung
260.
lobster, 300.
300 daw. Ito na lang tayo.
Tiger prawn.
Pwede na tayo dyan sa
Mud
tiger
crab.
prawn. Oo, pwede na yan.
Ito,
Bakit?
mud crab.
Oo, pwede na yan.
Tiger prawn.
Oo, pwede
Sarap
na yan.
Sarap yan.
Ayaw mo ba yan, boss?
Ito.
Kaya mo
Ang
lutuin
sarap
yan?
mo!
Musta ang anak mo? Ang nanay. Katulong. Katulong ka na. Katulong ka na ngayon, Ti. Natutulala ka na lang yung anak mo
Ito 55. 25 only kalahati.
No, we cannot, you cannot give me this one, 25 per kilo, no?
Kano? 10.
Is that 1 kilo? I think it's that 1 kilo.
Ako? 10 lang.
10 only, 10 only.
Nag-comment ka agad siya.
Halika na.
Alam kasi si ate, sabi niya 10 only. Sabi ko 10. Come on.
Sabi ko kasi 50. Sorry.
How much is this one?
This one is same price. I think.
Same price?
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
For you, brother. Tahan sa. Pangalan cute.
Say hi to the vlog. Where are we going? We are see birds. Okay, okay, we will see some birds. Cute ni Arya. Oh, what's that?
Here, or we going to pretend that this one is an ostrich egg. So once they eat those bacteria and diseases, they will go that inside their body.
So much big.
That's why if there is a dead carcass,
Uy, ang laki nila pa. So big. Dong, Teya. Ang laki. Say hi, bird.
Hi, bird!
Louder, they can hear you.
Yay!
Ay!
if you want the ventilation, is that poaching. So the poachers don't poach them. So the poachers poach the big animal. And the poachers will going to eat those big animals. So try to imagine that in one big animal, can kill for around 7 or can kill for around 200, 600 numbers of stuff. Oh,
Sobrang ganda ni Mama.
Baka mama ko yan.
Kala ko si Dida yun. Ano.
Hi, bird!
What does the bird say? Titit na ngayon, hindi na kuku. Hi, bird!
Kiss that, Tito. Kiss. So, let's go. Bye, Coco.
Wow, big bird. Eagle. This is eagle.
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 Let's go.
Bird.
Bird.
Eagle.
Eagle. Very good.
There's an owl.
Let's see. Can you take a picture?
Ano yan? Naligaw yan sa ano? Galing sa...
Nag-deliver ng mail.
Hindi.
Wow.
Hindi makita ni Arya.
Owl.
Ow! Legend of the Guardians.
Yan o, para masok. Pasa mo na.
Hindi, nasam ko na kanina.
Hindi, may mas malapit pa yun.
Arya, did you know that owls can rotate their heads 360?
What?
Sige nga, pa-rotatein mo nga.
Stop!
Vulture.
Pwede ka bang sakyan?
Lagyan mo ng tali, dado.
You know. Hi, Vulture! Can you walk towards us?
No.
Ay.
Kausap, hala. May ano siguro kayo. Communication.
Hindi ako parcel tank.
Bird tang.
Hi, bird.
Yun.
Bird.
Hi, bird.
Look, there's a big bird out there, oh.
Uy, there's a big bird there. That's Vulture.
Wow. Oh.
Hi! Smile!
Parang ang sarap.
Pitis dito. Gusto mo siya papuntahin? Smile! Ma, sobrang ganda mo.
Pinalipad kanina eh, hindi yung mga big.
Ay,
Ay, kabog.
Ay,
statue siya. Di siya nagalaw.
oo.
Statue siya.
Ibon dito siya.
Di siya nagalaw. Di siya nagalaw.
Ibon ka dali na. Kanta ka.
Gagi. Bigyan nyo ng pera, kakanta yan. Dali.
Kamay nga, papakainin ng dahon.
Hi, Ma. So pretty.
Hi.
Hi. Daddy. Hi. Mar.
Picture.
Pa. Dong! Dong! Puta ka na lamig.